Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have c square plus c square equals to 8 and we solve this problem for all the values of c. Here we first find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. So we move towards the solution of this problem. So here the very first thing we are going to do is first we need to take common c square from here, and when we take common c square we get the remaining values are 1 plus 1 is equals to 8. And now here in the next step we have c square times of 1 plus 1 becomes 2 is equals to 8. And now in the next step here we need to remove this 2 from here. So now for removing this 2 we will divide both of the sides by 2 on each of these terms. So when we divide by 2, it will becomes here c square divided by 2 equals to 8 divided by 2. So this 2 and this 2 are gone. And we get here c square equals to, this is 2 times 4 becomes 8. And we get the value of c square equals to 4. So here we have many ways to solve further for this equation. So here I can just discuss the two ways in which we get the values or we get the roots of this equation. So here in this side we will be solve for first method, and from here we solve the second method to find the values of c. Okay, so here first we move towards our method number 1, and in the method number 1 we move this 4 to the left hand side and it will becomes c square minus 4 equals to 0. And we rewrite this equation as c square minus this is 4, and we write it as 2 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step, here we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square equals to a minus b times of a plus b. According to this formula, we write the above equation as in this form. So this is c minus 2 times of c plus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write c minus 2 equals to 0, and the second case is we write c plus 2 equals to 0. From here we get the value of c is equals to plus 2, and here we get the value of c is equals to minus 2. So here in this method we obtain there are two values of c, and these are c equals to plus minus 2. And now we move towards our second method and we get the values of c. So here in the second method we again solve this problem with the help of square root. So here we apply square root on both of the sides, and it will be written as square root of c square equals to square root of 4. These two and square root are gone, and we get here c is equals to, the we know about that square root of 4 becomes 2. But further you see here, when we apply square root on both of the sides, we will be right here plus minus sign on any one of the side. So in the second method we get these are the two roots of the given equation. You see here from both of these two methods we get the same values of c. And now here in the next step we need to verify that is these values of c be the solution or is these values of c be the extraneous root. So for verification we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is c square plus c square equals to 8. And here in this side we will be verify the value of c is equals to plus 2, and in this side we will be verify c is equals to minus 2. So when we put c is equals to 2 into the left hand side, it will becomes 2 square plus 2 square equals to 8, and we obtain 4 plus 4 equals to 8. And 4 plus 4 becomes 8 equals to 8. This shows that both of the sides are equal when we choose c is equals to plus 2. And so here we see in the same pattern we verify the second value of c and we put minus 2 on both of the sides, and it will becomes minus 2 square plus minus 2 square equals to 8. We know that when we apply the square on a negative term it will becomes positive, and minus 2 square becomes plus 4 and minus 2 square becomes plus 4 equals to 8, and we get 4 plus 4 becomes 8 equals to 8. So this again shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that both of the values of c are satisfied our given question statement. And finally, we have the solution set of this question is c is equals to plus minus 2. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.